So this is the opportunity for us and you also to illustrate our principle. That's going to happen within few minutes. The other thing is we are circulating your certificates, all data, all your names, etc. You check whether they are correct or not and return immediately so that we will get that is one thing. And after that we will go to lunch. And one I would like to give present was by one of our valuable participants. This is my experience only. When Ramamohana University started, they have given so many admissions for PhD Ramamohana, and they have given 2 subjects, PhD subjects, which are completely subjects only. One subject is DLD, the other subject is something like OS and SC, and they named it research methodology 1, research methodology 2. They have to pass those 2 subjects. But after seeing that, I also just, so what is there in this DLE, what is there in the SC? Again they are conducting some tests and they are calling like this PhD, and I have written a letter to the concerned person, Manandara. Sir, research methodology is not subject that we already learned or being taught, must be a different one. Then there was no reply from them. After some days, last batch we in our university used research methodology subject for PhD, one of these subjects. And you see, most of the contents, first chapter we have taken from design and analysis of algorithms, and somewhere the artificial intelligence concepts, and somewhere remaining which are very typical in nature, complex in nature. These subjects contents also have been introduced. The main idea and object, what my observation I am trying to tell, it is not just teaching something like that. Professor Subramanian taught just now has given something about what is sorting and searching. Sorting, if you look at the algorithm, you don't find anything. Everything is, something is going on inside the system. The idea behind it is the philosophy behind it. How a number, it is going to take a permanent place after sorting, or it is going to change its places during the result. The philosophy behind that we talked. This philosophy actually ignites something, thinking or some opening in your mind. So like that we have to think. That is what our SARS I think as well. And also even or anything, just like that we are reading, studying something and we are writing, but we don't never see what is the importance, how it is done. So how many of, I don't know, just I am asking, you know, what is the pi? Pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is only one that is there, or other things are there? How that has been derived? Is there any still a number that is 22 by 7 like this? So that we get 3.1456, something like that. Only one or so many? No. 3 or 4 of them. Very big numbers are there. Nearly they get that value. But we don't know the philosophy behind it. Just something like just we write I 3.142. That's all. But I, there are some things are, numbers are there. Those numbers are also very near to that particular point, particular value. And why they prefer this 22 by 7 also. So we have to see, maybe examples are so many they take from different subjects, but the how they arrived at them. So finally that has taken a form in the textbook. But before that, it has come from the research. It has come from so much of thinking by putting so much of effort. That is what. So I think most of the participants, we try to see the difference between the methodology, the philosophy behind it, how things have come. Now the product is available, we are using. Before the product, there is some research.